guys, I got a really unique boat to go over with you today. This gentleman bought this boat to do some guiding, tour guiding out of in Florida. And it is a 2270 hunt deck, which means it's right at 24 feet long. He's got a 200 Suzuki on the back of it. Pushes this boat close to 50 miles an hour, even with this big heavy-duty canopy over the top of it. He had some specialties in mind when he made the canopy. He has wakeboards that he wants to stand on the back deck and slide into that little slot on the front of the, if you should take the camera, you can show the spoiler up there on the front. So the wakeboards will slide into that, and then he straps them down. Then he can take the wakeboards off as he takes people out and does his tours or whatever it is he's doing. Then of course he's got seating all along here from both sides. This has some thicker HydroTurf pad for the backrest, as well as on top of these, actually very comfortable to lean against and sit down on. Storage trays for everybody that's taking the tour to put their gear underneath each catwalk. Nice open clean floor with a step to the front. So when everybody gets out, it's easy to step to get back out of the boat. He had us put these little brush guards right here. Sometimes they have some limbs that they go over that he wanted to catch to kind of go up over the top of this rather than smack people in the face with. Great boat for what he's doing, and wanted to showcase this boat to you guys to show you that if you come to Gator Trax with something in specific in mind for what it is that you're doing, that's what we do. We can take those ideas that you have of the dream boat that you want and make that boat into a reality for you, which is what we did for this customer. I hope he likes it. He's come and seen the progress of the boat already at one point and loved it, so I'm sure that he will, but it fits his needs for what he's doing perfectly, and that was our goal from the beginning. Thanks for checking it out.